Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn how to create a PDF file in the Python using FPDF. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the way that how we can create the PDF files in Python. Let's copy and paste this and we are going to use it over there. Okay, so here we go with this one. So it will FPDF we have already generated. I think we haven't imported. So first of all, let's import it. I think this is missing. So let's add it. Okay. Then it's so create the instance of the PDF class. Then add a page with the help of PDF.add a page. Set the font family, whatever want. And this is our style. And this is our size, font size. Okay. Then add a cell with the width, height, text, border, ln, and the alignment. Okay. Then add another line with the help of the set font and cell. Okay, this is the first, this is second. Save the PDF file with the file name and print the message that PDF created successfully with the name simple example.pdf. If I try to run this, and here you can see PDF created, and if I go over there, and here you can see simple example, right? So let's see the simple example. We have PDF and open anyway, built in. No, let's open it from here. So this is our which file, simple example PDF. So welcome text, and this is a simple example using the PDF, right? So easily it is generated, right? So this is the first step. And if you want to add the images and the page number, add a page with the help of the pdf.add page. Set the font with the pdf.set font. B for bold, I for italic, size is 16. Okay, so this add the content pdf.cell, create a text box with the specified width, height, and the alignment. Align true means adding the line after the cell. Okay, and save the file with the pdf.output saves the file in the given file name. Okay, next, if I want to add the image, okay, so pdf.add image, and we have to set it accordingly. Let's try to add this one also. Add more content on the second page, so you can also do like this. So in this we are going to add the image, and the we want to shift the content to the second page, we can do that one also. Okay, so just hide this, let's comment this and make another one. Okay, with image and the page. Okay, so let's add the image also. So example.jpg. So have any image we have? I think we don't have. Let's copy and paste it from fast API. No, I think the root we have Python static. No, recorded uploads. So here we have some images, right? So let's add this image from here to tutorial. Let's paste this and let's rename this, right? Okay, so we have added this, copy this image path and let's add it over there, right? Let's save this and let's generate that one. PDF created. Let's see advanced. This is advanced, you can see the logo is there. Okay, but we have to set the size of the logo, then it is a multi-text. You can see second page is also there. Okay, so this is how you can generate the PDF easily. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. The thing is that how to add an image, I forgot to explain. That is pdf.image and the name of the image. You can set the height, width, everything. Okay, so if I just go to the width like this, what will happen? And let's generate it. And here we go with this one. It's generating right now, and here you can see, so automatically it shifts, right? So this is good one. So according to it you can set it. XY width in mm, right? Then add some text. We all know that how to set the text, and you can set the position also. Okay, add a new page with the help of the pdf.add page, and add more content over there, that is pdf.cell second page, and then save that PDF. Okay, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.